Okay, so what I was saying is we have three locations, right? Like P1, P2, and P3. And you know these informations, and you need to calculate what is this P new at a new location, right? At P new, what is the grade of this ore? This is our target actually, G new. Okay, so for that, what you will do is from your variogram, you calculate for the equation, right, for the gamma H. Then using all your matrix multiplication and all as we discussed in our class, so you calculate what is your W matrix. So this W matrix is W1, W2, and W3. So this W matrix is not fixed, you know. So if you change this point P location, like the coordinate of this point P new, this W matrix again will change. Okay, so let's say we are trying to find the like the W matrix for, you know, X equal to 20 and Y equal to 35. So this is our for this location. Let's say you calculated what is your W matrix. Okay, so the thing is, just a second. एक्चुअली नहीं हो रहा तो छोड़ दीजिए, उसको छोड़ के आप इक्विपमेंट लेके ये करिए.
ठीक है सर, अब क्लास.
ओके, या ओके.
नया आया.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, I'm so sorry. They were trying to fix the internet. So what I was saying is, you know, like for a particular point P new, you calculate what is your W1, W2, and W3, right? So let's say the sum of the W1, W2, and W3 is 0.95. So it is not equal to 1, right? So what you need to do, you reduce that 1 minus, you find out this 1 minus this W, okay? And that is 0.05, right? And you just multiply this value with your average grade, G1 plus G2 plus G3 by 3. So that is the error part. Okay, so on top of that, what you need to do is you have to add this thing, G1 W1 plus G2 W2 plus G3 W3. Is this clear? So this will be your new grade G new. Is it clear, Teresa?
Sir, if sum of weightage is equal to 1, then there is no error, sir.
No adjustment. This will be 0, right?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So in your assignment, what I've given is I have given the equation of this thing, right? You need to calculate what is A inverse, right? And then multiply with B, right? And to get your W matrix, right? Once you know your W matrix, you calculate G for that thing, and we, instead of three locations, which we solved in our class, we have 4 points now. So this A matrix will be 4 by 4 square matrix. Okay. Anybody who could solve this problem? And anybody who has solved the what is this, your assignment?
Yes, sir.
What is happening? Yeah. Okay, so who is this?
Sir,
Yeah,
Vishal.
please try to help if somebody has any, problem. Okay, or maybe you can just quickly ask me if still anybody has any question. Okay, no worries. So, yeah, let's move on. So we were talking about this time value of money. So before that, actually, we talked about three valuation, technique, right? First, can anybody tell me what were those? What are those? Can you just tell me? Can anybody three methods of doing a valuation?
So cost approach, market approach.
Yeah, first is cost. Cost. Second is market. And third is earning, right?
Yes, sir.
So in here, we said, like we talked that, okay, like this is not applicable for mining case. This is also not applicable for mining case, but we can go for this earning methodology, right? So for example, let's say near our hometown, we have one zinc mines, right? Which work for, I think, 25, 30 years. So let's say this is an underground mine. Okay, this is for zinc mine.
Sir, your screen is fixed for a frame.
So,
Movie.
sorry?
Sir, your screen is fixed. That is, it is freezed and it cannot move. Like it isn't moving.
Oh,
Sir.
is it not moving? So can you see this time value of money written here?
Yes, sir. Only that part and then and the definition, the blank space, the space between that is that whatever you are writing, we can.
Oh, you cannot see that? Let me on share again and share it. What is that? Just a second. How about now?
Not visible, sir.
Okay. I don't know what to do. So,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Visible.
can you please? Sorry, is visible?
Visible, sir.
Yes,
The
yes, sir.
screen moving like. Okay. Okay, so what I was saying is, we cannot go for cost approach and also the market approach, but we definitely go for this earning approach, right? Like we had three kind of ways to get the value of a mine. So before we purchase, we need to know what is the value of this asset or the mine, right? So what I was saying is. We near our near my hometown actually there is one zinc mine which it was working for 25 to 30 years. Okay, so some development has already been made, some shaft has been made, some surface like the surface setups has been made, some decline is there, right? And but what they did was they took, let's say they took this part of those ore out and left this mine just like that. Now let's say we want to purchase this mine, and what is the for what cost we should purchase this mine? This is the question. So how do you do this? I said that okay, you have to add up all these things like let's say what was the exploration cost, what was the the development cost, and then with time, let's say we start the mine today and it starts producing after, let's say, 1.5 years. Okay, so after that, maybe it will work for another 40 years. So in each year, like we had our initial kind of setup, right? So for that, we need to pay the previous company who owned this zinc mine, and then we are going to get some zinc from this mine each year, right? First year, second year, third, right? We are going to get some money out of this zinc mine, right? So what I said was, what is the present value of this thing? Like that will be today. Because let's say after in our third year, the mine produced some X amount of zinc, right? And when you sold this zinc, you got some C amount of money. Okay, C crores or whatever it is. So when we try to purchase this mine, we don't give this CA amount because this one, this is after 3 years. Okay, so after 3 years, we are going to get C amount. Let's say this is 29 crores. Okay, so this 29 crore, which we will be getting in our third year, the value is not the same, right? Like it can be some 25 crore or something like that based on our interest rate. So we need to add this up, right? We need to add all this money for next 40 years and initial cost. So that will be the value, or that will be the amount, the maximum amount you'll be paying to buy this mine. Is this clear? What we are doing here? So this time value of money is very important to know, right? Like because when we need to take some decision, right? We need to know what is the present value that we are going to invest on that property or the mine. Anybody has any question? Anyone? Can you hear me? Or the internet is again gone?
So because of I think because of your network issue, I wasn't able to get a single thing. Like your screen is lagging too much. So.
How about others?
So there is a time lag between the thing you are writing and we can see. So there is a problem there.
Okay, so let's take a break of 10 minutes. Okay, I'll try to fix this thing. And yeah,
Okay.
is that okay?
Yes, sir.
So we will meet at
Yes.
11:45 and continue for one hour or something. Is this okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, so can you hear me now? Anybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is this better, right? Okay, let me
Yes, sir.
share my screen. So recording on. Okay.